True or false? Our eyes are not symmetrical. 100% true. Do you know that we all have one eye that's slightly smaller or more hooded than the other? And that's perfectly normal because our faces are not symmetrical either. But there's good news. It's proven that the easiest way to create optical illusion for symmetry is by creating a smudged kohl look, because the focus is more on the waterline that slowly fades off into the outer corner, and I'm going to show you how to perfect it in just a few simple steps. Eyebrows are such an integral part of this look, so I'm going to be using the Dominique Cosmetics Brow Frame Pencil, and I'm using the shade Taupe to fill in my brows. This pencil is super pigmented and has a sharp edge, so it's very easy to draw hair-like strokes and also fill in your brows, and there's also a sharpener in the back. Using the lightest amount of Milani concealer in the shade 145, which is a true match to my skin tone, I'm going to clean up underneath the brows. My eye pencil of choice is the Makeup Forever Aqua Resist Pencil, which is my absolute favorite. While this is waterproof, you can also smudge it and blend it out beautifully, so it's perfect for a look like this. Always avoid the watery part of your waterline and apply it closer to your lashes. That's how it stays intact. So I'm going to apply a couple layers closer to my lashes, and as you can see, it's super pigmented. And then I'm going to very lightly extend it in the outer corner. And the easiest way to sharpen that wing is with your fingernail. Just drag it a couple times and you get a sharp wing. That'll create an optical illusion in the outer corner and make your eyes look more elongated. And now to smudge and smoke this out, I'm going to be using the Honest Beauty palette. I'm going to dip into this black eyeshadow and I'm going to stamp it along my lash line, both upper and lower lash lines. And why am I doing this? One, it's going to intensify that black. Second, after you've smudged this out, it's going to stay put throughout the day. And I'm avoiding the inner corner because that's where the eyes are most sensitive and watery. And now with a flat, fluffy definer brush, I'm going to lightly smudge this. And then with the help of my finger, I'm going to smoke this out. Instead of using your finger, you can also use a blending brush, but this is so easy to do and you don't need any extra tools. And then for my lower lash line, I'm using the flat, fluffy definer brush again to smudge it out lightly. And that's already taking shape and looking fantastic. Here's the secret. I like to use a little bit of brown eyeshadow and further soften this. All I'm doing is just taking a tad bit of that brown eyeshadow with a blending brush and I'm dragging it all the way from the outer to the inner corner in both my upper and lower lash lines. And then with a larger blending brush, I'm going to apply some of that brown eyeshadow in the outer crease, pulling it outward and upward. Although that's super soft, you can see that has taken shape and it gives your eyes an elongated look. It's time to finish up, so I'm going to first curl my lashes before I use mascara. And one of my current favorite drugstore mascaras is the Milani highly rated mascara, and you'll see why in just a minute. Unlike many other mascaras, it doesn't clump and give you those spider lashes. It separates out the lashes and gives you length and volume. And if you've been with me for a while, you know that I absolutely love applying mascara to my lower lashes as well. Let's look at the before just one more time. And here is the after. This makeup is so easy to pull off and so beginner friendly, gets done quick, but makes a huge difference. I'm going to show you the perfect lip combo for this look. First, I'm going to start with a lip liner by Makeup Forever. This is in the shade Whatever Walnut, which is a neutral, beautiful rosy brown. Then I'm going to fill in my lips with the YSL Rouge Shine Lipstick Balm. This is in the shade Plushing Rosehip. This is a soft rosy nude again, and it looks absolutely stunning. While this is a gorgeous everyday look, you can also jazz it up with a little bit of shimmer or glitter on your lid. And that'll take it from a daytime to a nighttime look. So next time you're struggling with your eye makeup to perfect it with disappointing results, don't beat yourself about it. You can always create the Smudged Kohl look, which is a classy and easy alternative. You can never go wrong with this look. If you plan to recreate, please don't forget to tag me. My socials are listed in the description box below this video, along with links to all the products that I used. You can also click on the View Products link embedded within this video. It's at the bottom right side, my right side, so that's your left side. And please take a moment to subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed it. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye, guys.